Hi everybody! 2 points to note before we start. First, this video assumes you can read hiragana. The second is a memory tip. Researchers say you remember stuff better when you say it out loud, and we organized this video to make use of that little brain quirk. When you see a pause button with a question mark appear, pause the video and answer the question out loud. When the pause button has a talking face, again pause the video and repeat the example out loud. This will help you remember better. This video explains 2 Japanese patterns using rashi. They're both intermediate level patterns, and you might bump into both of them in the N3 grammar section of the Japanese language proficiency test. This pattern indicates that the speaker thinks something based on what he or she heard, read, or saw. It's often equivalent to "it seems that." Here's an example.
台風の上陸は確実らしい。
In this first pattern, you put rashi after the plain form of a noun, adjective, or verb. Note that nothing comes between rashi and a noun or na adjective. That's all the explanation we need, so let's do the practice examples.
あれがボスらしいな。
魚が欲しいらしいわね。
誰か有名な人がいるらしい。誰もいないらしい。
This pattern often indicates that something is a typical or representative example of something else. It's often an equivalent to like, as in ladylike, appropriate for, or typical of. Here's an example.
もっと男らしい名前にしようよ。
So as you can see, the grammar for this pattern is pretty simple. The rashi just comes after a noun. So, fun stuff coming up. Don't forget to say the examples out loud.
先生らしくないってよく言われます。お正月らしく着物を着ましょうか。春らしい色のお菓子ですね。
忙しくて食事らしい食事ができないんです。
Okay, so this video looked at 2 patterns from the ebook Natural Japanese at a Glance in 3 Patterns, available from Amazon and Apple Books. Most people like the Apple edition for iPads or iPhones because you can play all the sound files from inside the actual book. As always, please give us a like, and if you want to hear about new videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.